of you for no reason. Even you don't have crew. But you don't want to kneel down, be begging what you know nothing about. You stand on your ground. If I don't know what you're angry of me for, you can go to hell for all I care. What kind of money? That is manipulative mind, somebody mindset. But me, money manipulate my mindset to make me feel like, what have I done? Are you my husband? Even person your husband say, if you know open mouth, tell me what I do you to hell with middle figure.
Yes, Mama Monica, I believe you 1 second. I believe say you are praying. People talk for your husband. People maybe people use your husband. They say, oh, I'm not happy for this. I'm not happy for this because it still be within Wona. But the fact say no do so. I'm not blaming her. I don't blame her. I don't see what the lady do. I feel like he get a lot way inside. I think make people feel say that you scatter your home.
Exactly. You my lady, thank you. Inside when enemy here bole for the doctor, small bole. If I go wrong, may God let me jam. If I not go wrong, anybody wish me bad thing, I go carry on with your head. I can't no vision of your man. Mama was a no load them. You love us a say no say, mama, damn, and you more. Say, mama, damn, you win more, mamma, more, damn, you win more, mamma, credit, damn, you win more because he mamma me knew, he ran me knew, Agbona Majena, not of Byro, no wake base or Saloba, Ladiano tie. Mene Monica, I know you mujime la may you forgive me. My way. If you say I do you anything, talk. If I really guilty, I'll say sorry. If I don't stay guilty, I'll still say sorry. That's my life. I move on. I don't have time.
Mama Monica, I believe you wanna still work this thing out. You wanna get out of social media. Like now,
my lady, you know, understand the social media. You know, let you know. Thank you. My lady, most of all my fans, you can see their comment. They have moved on. They always wait for Monica ginger us, and we are gingering ourselves. We moved on. Monica talk about people matter when you bring and come for me. My people know me. We have moved on. We don't have time for zolo. Now, people they zolo, they look for who better pass na their way. Who want carry number one na their way. Me no they look for position. Let me be my Monica. Now, people go come here and get be Monica. Monica ejo. We me find Monica me time in wa. Hey? Jealousy can't be. You didn't. No, don't good. That's why some of you guys comment. I will say, may God forgive you. If you don't know, may God forgive you. But if you know, you decide to say what you decide to take one side, God will not be happy. It's not true. Why are you saying I didn't carry her along? Even you not go feed they open like me. You so you know, not as you go rich where you will be like me. Me now, agwa now. I get what they hide. As you see me, so I don't get what they hide. If not because of Baba people too much for social media, not seeing where they know they turn outside down. I go there live video, husband go come here and put on for speaker. Do I care? Not to talk a person will be my friend. I'll come put on for back. I don't do that. Oh, if that is what you have, that's why my God and my head will not let that person rest until he confess what I do. Monica, in as much as I love you, you and your friend, you didn't handle this problem well beginning. You were the first person to bring your friend to social media. That was very bad of you. There is no friend with tap up. I bet my lady. I bet you, Naomi, you be new account way open for this matter. What you don't know, you want to say. Don't let Ojuju kill you because I de swear puto. If you want to know, if you don't already know what you say you know, call me, may you hear my own side. What are you saying? Do you know when the problem was that big? that you say bring it to social media? What do you know? Don't know nothing. Fake life is when you say AliExpress things not go, but you they wear them. Number one, fake life. Fake life people are people who will act like your friend, but the truth is that backstabbers. Yeah, they are backstabbers. And do you know karma is a bitch? Even inside video of manipulator, they say when your friend is talking everything about you, when your friend talk you down, oh Jesus Christ, why can't people just see themselves in their own talk? God, why can't they see themselves in their own talk? Yeah, when they see you, they act like you are best friend. That is fake life. Dislike everything and you will act like best friend. Is fake. It's not by fault. Monica, you will say Nigeria na poto on your way problem where presenter look where Larry. Okay, you be even tough fan of mine, eh? Presenter look where. Call me, make I help you for your life. You hear? You want builders? I be not make you builder. Not worry. He never late. Even person wait there 50 years. He never late. I get one mama. He celebrate her 50 years last month. Okay, she watched my video, finish one video where I make for Instagram. Me myself, I don't even remember. She called me say so and so like this, Monica. But I'm 50 years now. Do you think it's still possible? I say yes, mom. I'm going to help you. And by the time I help that woman finish for that thing where it bring come, I shall say it again. So presenter, look where call me if there is any way you don't get back or you to say nothing to. Correct, call me. Nothing's too late, okay? Hello? Fake like out of peace security, yes.
For person where they write that kind of thing, me.
No, I don't have
I know you understand. So I come the verse, I say, why this kind of thing go happen? It's true to people where they good and quarrel. You need to hear from the two both sides to know what thing they happen. Now my friend, when we still sit down use on the gossip, now I can tell me say, make I no talk that thing, I can gist me. Everything will happen. Now I can say, okay, now this thing ain't be the problem. You don't say some people they go just hear one side, like they go just conclude say yes, now so this thing be, but stories, the two sides, if you go no say yes, see where this problem for, see where this from problem for. No matter what happen, it could make everybody they get in privacy, and it could make everybody they mind in business. You understand? Nobody will borrow leg come abroad. Nobody borrow you leg come abroad. If you draw, my people, they say if you draw stick, if you stick, you no agree, you leave them because your head no go feel fuller, go like that. So that person where they comment that in where they talk to.
Thank you.
They say, now that person where they talk to now, my sister, I beg, even though for your own side, if you and person they quarrel or you go here, now you make many people now don't get enemy. You go see people, you don't do them anything, they just they hate you. You know, you and them no argue issue. No be say you be bad person, no. But if for another place they don't label you as a bad person. Try to go close to that person where they tell you say that person no good. When you come to go
thank you. Since where happen, I know they tell now say you follow this one, not follow this one. I say be good to anyone where your heart good. Like. Now you know what your heart tell you. Now you know what you want learn for social media. Not be Monica want tell you. You understand?
They still they follow you. They still they follow your friend. That one not be any problem.
Not be problem for me. Now me want tell you what you want.
No good. We in Africa we always they do that and you know good at all. Make sure say go that person where the person they complain. You see this person. A bad person, go close to them. Maybe you by yourself, you go find out whether yes, a bad person or
thank you so much, my lady. May I quickly pick one of my mama this thing. Thank you, my lady. I appreciate you. When two friends part way, they should stop throwing shade. Are we mature to that extent? Some people are not mature because the disappointment, they feel it in their heart when people try to put you inside bottle, they don't fit. Hello? Hello, Mama. Do you want me to put you on speaker? Oh, yes, say. Okay. Okay. Hey, yeah. Okay. Mm. Mm. Do what say left mama one of my feed the way. Ave na ya ma wa mo bota wa mula ama yeti we bu wa mula dia o ma no we na we bu wa o gele stand like that. Eh o ma we e divine favor stop it no go me block you. Monica miss somebody emi ogbo ya. Me ma dege me ke do dego leti ne. Mama, let me put it on speaker now. You are the only one on me where you speak to two or four. Ni mo ye speaker. Okay, we are hearing.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Anyways, about this. I think I will actually speak Benin, right? Let's bring it down.
Yes, speak Bini.
Mami, aro evara gui. Oge arasewa o watono. Ene dotani. Igwe Monica Gwa. Monica, my lady, I've spoken to you. Iwe gwe lolo gwa me.
Okay.
Unless wife, ima you should not be saying you be bad person. But if another place they don't label you as a bad person, try to go close to that person where they tell you say that person no good. When you come to go
Thank you. Since we happen, I know they tell now say follow this one, not follow this one. I say be good to anyone where your heart good. Like. Now you know what your heart tell you. Now you know what you want learn for social media. Not be Monica want tell you. You understand?
They still they follow you. They still they follow your friend. That one not be any problem.
Not be problem for me. Now me want tell you what you want
do. No good. We in Africa we always they do that and you no good at all. Make sure say go that person where the person they compare. You see this person. Bad person, go close to them. When you by yourself, you go find out whether yes, na bad person or
thank you
bad
so
person.
much, my lady. May I quickly pick one of my mama this thing. Thank you, my lady. I appreciate you. When two friends part way, they should stop throwing shade. Are we mature to that extent? Some people are not mature because the disappointment, they feel it in their heart. When people try to put you inside bottle, they don't fit. Hello? Hello, Mama. Do you want me to put you on speaker? Oh, yes, say. Okay. Okay. Hey, yeah. Okay. Do what say left mama one of my feed the way. Ave na ya ma wa mo bota wa mula ama yeti we bu wa mula dia o ma no we na we bu wa o gele stand like that. Eh o ma we e divine favor stop it no go me block you. Monica miss somebody emi ogbo ya. Me ma dege me ke do dego leti ne. Mama, let me put it on speaker now. You are the only one on me where you speak to two or four. Ni mo ye speaker. Okay, we are hearing.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Anyways, about this. I think I will actually speak Benin, right? Let's bring it down.
Yes, speak Bini.
Mami, aro evara gui. oge arasiwa owatolo. In Dotani. Igwe Monica Gwa, Monica, my lady, I've spoken to you. Iwe Gwelolo Gwame.
Okay.
And this wife, Imare, where so we, a sopa no poor, etiano.
Oh, what lower on you make it not concentrate? Okay.
Ima iku wife, and Esu wife, Ima beg away, a sopa, not take me Nigeria. I'm a great big one. I'm a great big one in a way where you might only sweet your mother by the way or a lolo. I'm sure I die in the water. You are with Vanna, who open our way in the number my life, or I did not pattern. And the number I attack or one of the time I am. Then you could make the other person just withdraw. When also the one care what I will in all here. But it could be maybe on money money quality and no women in my. To me, that was a bigger problem with Lolorane. Either we communicate truthfully or we on our telling like not by the or not by common like a said that or what everything is okay. I'm at the bar begging my way, my day okay. And I think you people should pick this whole thing from there. And when the boy take work, when the boy take with a lot of one, they will come up and here to feel it. I tell you, I tell you, the fact of we all want a lot, for example, a lot of poor, we don't make it any other man. Money when I want to take do ya pick it up, no do ya soul away, or two when the money can go on one, no money they pick it, but ya soul a lot. So I believe who I far is either why or why you let this thing go and just leave it because commenters, including anything here, we are all commenters. We go there and comment rubbish. I will agree and make a worse. Or say that way, I make an like way. But what is the peace that everybody is making in this whole thing? Doesn't that mean when they lolo hit me, then you will not react or do a hit and lolo react? Only my majority wife, I'm sorry to say. Please. Can you only go 7 last and he has if you are finished in the life, I will call you back.
Okay, Mama.
Okay.
Bye. So, my people, I think fake life. Who be this? Please coming. I think fake life. We will end the part 1 today. We will continue on fake life so that we can teach our people how not to live fake life last card check up because fake life is no good. It go reach your dream, your goal. Okay. The bond between these two so strong that I feel they are testing. No colonel report me to report to me too. Report to you too, and you never told me. Nigga, you need to rest. Ishan Oye, Abego, you see name where you give yourself now. I married to Ishan. I don't get Ishan 100% blood. You understand? You know, so now they sabi put something under mat. I don't be like that. I don't come from that kind of place. You understand? I beg, no change me to come become your own. Una de gbalo una put on for inside. U koko duwa until like it don't come. I don't be like you. You understand? Please, it's not by force. So they fight what. Okay. So thank you all so much. This is the end. This is the end of part 1 of fake life. Part 2. You know, anything when they talk on social media, one way or the other, somebody must learn. I believe this fake life, whether we not take unto only 2 of us, but me, the teaching where I try to bring awareness for what is fake life, I don't give unto 2 of us, I give unto everybody. If you know, okay, Oh, thank you, my lady. I know say not be all Asian people. You understand? Because that person the name will give himself and to come tell me Monica rest for the matter na they bring her la wo itama well. Don't tell me say me I act like you. Everybody get you. I beg. So and yet me where you say they bring her out. If I ask you one thing where cause problem, where me don't talk, you know go fit talk. You know know nothing. Huh? Okay, calculate the hour we are spent with you. Oh, thank you, Nora Rose, thank you. And the divine favor, you say you love me so much, but I damn you because I don't like that kind of comment. I hate it. That comment and the only comment anywhere where I foresee, I will tell the person, I will give a middle finger. Even if the person not see me, I'll say, see this one, middle finger for you. I know they like that word. Monica is missing somebody. Please, in the name of God, don't say it. Irritate me and you don't know it. Comment any other comment, not they pay me. Don't talk like that. Do you know? Why will you comment what you don't know? Monica is missing for waiting. Say now it be my light, now it be my leg, now it be my hand. Stop that rubbish. Now because people like una so now comment and to put on where you know they where they show us rule. Now me the show for this our friendship, but now carry on and give on your I beg God is say I beg grandpa na where or one why. Tell they miss person where this thing for I beg. Oh, thank you. Better people wey sabi comment. May you know say right from time the thing felt day like that. Looking for plenty people wey go quick. Standing my guys, I know they go down. No retreat, no surrender. Barak no. Fake life is when you don't have two big toes due to red light and you claim you never do a shower work. It's time to block you now because all your comment is so meaningless. How can you go and be? Do you know how many people you will insult with that comment by telling people that they have make a shower how many years ago? Do you know how many people you will insult right now? If you be even your wife or husband, go don't fair don't please get out. If you don't know what is fake life, you are out. Talk about better thing and so rubbish thing they go bring comment. Very soon you'll come to say fake life now where you don't forget boyfriend before you marry your husband. Now fake life. I mean negative fake life. Fake life now when you use stew, take shop rice. Now fake life. Fake life now when you cook jollof fry, you put burger. Now fake life. Unwe man even know a fake life, my sister. Where? I can never miss it. Oh, thank you. What begume yeah, missing somebody. Come on, say I'm missing my Mr. Ambrose. We not get no reason to put me down, to fuck me up, to betray me for no fucking things. Mr. Ambrose fair get paper before me for this country. When I get money, they make money. I not give one. Oh yes, sanya what me going now. Oh yes, sanya warrior my go. Oh yes. At the end of the day, when Ambrose on the top, he no ever one day say he be woman. Now that if you say I dey miss that kind of person for my life, I go the year. Not be person wey meet my life. Not be person wey meet my blood. Not be person wey live my life. My life I begin to sleep better. It don't do. Oh, thank you. Better people wey sabi comment. May you know say right from time the thing felt day like that. Looking for plenty people wey go quick. Standing my guys, I know they go down. No retreat, no surrender. Barak no. Fake life is when you don't have two big toes due to red light and you claim you never do a shower work. It's time to block you now because all your comment is so meaningless. How can you go and be? Do you know how many people you will insult with that comment by telling people that they have make a shower how many years ago? Do you know how many people you will insult right now? If you be my, even your wife or husband go don't fair do, please get out. If you don't know what is fake life, you are out. Talk about better thing and so rubbish thing they go bring command. Very soon you'll come to say fake life now when you don't forget boyfriend before you marry your husband. Now fake life. I mean negative fake life. Fake life now when you use stew, take shop rice. Now fake life. Fake life now when you cook jollof fry, you put burger. Now fake life. Ungwe man even know a fake life, my sister. Where? I can never miss it. Oh, thank you. What begume yeah, missing somebody. Come on, say I'm missing my Mr. Ambrose. We not get no reason to put me down, to fuck me up, to betray me for no fucking things. Mr. Ambrose fair get paper before me for this country. When I get money, I they make money. I not give one. Oh yes, sanya what me going now. Oh yes, sanya what you make go. Oh yes. At the end of the day, when Ambrose on the top, he no ever one day say he be woman. Now that if you say I did miss that kind of person for my life, I go the year. Not be person where meet my life. Not be person where meet my blood. Not be person where live my life. My life I begin to sleep better. It don't do. It don't do, because wamame no soon only serve. Our kids, I want to do. You want me to go show you my son right now? Say they play game with the old children. I bet they go. It say we be like on our house. So we not be like that too. Where you block mama, you can't block picking, you can't block you can't block that. What is that one mean? For me, that one not mean anything. I wish una fit tell una goddess, una queen mother. I wish una fit tell una perfect one. I wish una fit tell una number one. Look for your topic. Move on. Don't give fault to anybody. You will see all this chuku if me I move on. Anything we una come where I be ma. You understand? Mona tell una goddess, una best. I know they drag for position. Do topic straight. Don't do topic. Insult what is not there. It will irritate me, but because una know the kind of person where I be say. Wait till day your body. If you put on for my body, I want la wa tell la because yet it take. If you want disgrace me with waiting day my body. If you say you want disgrace me, you they lie with waiting not day my body. It take except I don't die now. Human being go lie on top of me where I know say now lie you they lie on top of me. I no go green because I know say you there. Like if I lie on top of you, come out and say don't say I'm not like them, but you are talking. Now what is this? I'm the best for Mabel Sass. I'm the best for Monica's team. I've said the time with that number. We don't do competition. We are not compete who is the best because I'm the best of myself and I'm the best for people that have chosen me. So why these other ones? As some people don't know the meaning of fake life, I think it is time for us to end this video. Thank you, mommy. Okay, bye. That is to understand you. Thank you, Joe. God bless you. Samo dia me ahia wodo amen weje wa be so bo no ke bon wo be gbena wa se dia gbena la do pe ahin la wo my brother e de wo marapa ya de marapa no ru me titiri de o wo kin la de wo marapa no ru wa se dia gbogbo wa gbogbo we stage o pa na wa inside no we wa je gbogbo mami me so ni me wa inside ni anje me akwe me comment ya me tie yi tie. Where stay je side of pana stay for one side I beg. Thank you. Someone is behaving childish and you guys are there. Behaving childish. Not only behaving childish. Let me give you parable. Okay? Only people who understand it will understand it. Not only behaving childish, also provoking, but she don't know that she's the one that will lose past. You understand? Me, dirty secret. I don't have it. I will repeat it again and again till like it don't come. I don't have it. But you living sitting room where we dirty. Now sitting room with dirty, oh my people, make una dey listen to me. We gotta make sitting room dirty. Instead of make we compare to our papa and mama say, hey, now sitting room with dirty, oh. Not be me, na you, na you. No, some people can say, eh, not be only sitting room with dirty. We got dirty inside store. Papa can say, inside store, what you not go do for that? He go can't go there, go bring, waiting papa for no today, tomorrow at all. Oh, what your boy with pokman? Oh, what you need to worry? Una no say, wala. Okay, Samudia, maybe if you say that. I always say your opinion because sometimes you are too like, you know what. Thank you, Naso, my people.